Let's take a look at some cool gadgets that are useful, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or cool designs, there's something here for everyone. Introducing the LaserPecker LP5, the ultimate 2-in-1 laser engraving powerhouse. Combining a 20-watt fiber laser and a 20-watt diode laser, this compact and lightweight engraver tackles almost any material, from softwoods to rigid metals, with ease. The LP5 stands out with industrial-grade engraving speeds of 10,000 millimeters per second, allowing for unparalleled precision. Its deep 3D grayscale embossing capabilities make intricate designs effortless. Plus, the slide extension unlocks a larger engraving area, catering to projects of all sizes. But that's not all. This engraver isn't just about speed. With ultra-precise cutting, it handles wood up to 20 millimeters thick, acrylic up to 15 millimeters, and even 1 millimeter metal. Want vibrant, colorful engravings? The LP5 delivers, thanks to its advanced laser technology. Safety meets convenience with optional enclosures, while the rotary extension allows engraving on irregular shapes. Manage projects seamlessly with intuitive LDS software, offering dynamic batch processing for ultimate efficiency. Whether you're a creator or small business owner, the LP5 transforms your workflow. Weighing just 6.02 kilograms, it's portable yet powerful enough to personalize products in seconds. Ready to redefine your creative journey? The LaserPecker LP5 is your gateway to endless possibilities. Meet the Newtral Freedom X, a multi-position chair designed to adapt to your every need. Whether you're working hard or winding down, this chair has you covered. Spending long hours at your desk? No worries. The Freedom X molds to your body, providing ergonomic support to keep you productive and comfortable all day. It's more than just a chair. It's your personal workstation. With multi-adjustable armrests and a built-in laptop stand, it transitions effortlessly into a workspace within seconds. Need to relax? The Freedom X offers seamless recline adjustments, letting you switch to lounge mode in no time. Its soft, pet-friendly materials ensure ultimate comfort for you and even your furry companion. Whether gaming, reading, or binge-watching your favorite shows, this chair moves with you. What makes it special? The Freedom X blends sleek design, premium materials, and innovative features. From its quiet, gliding wheels to its customizable settings, it fits effortlessly into any space, enhancing both style and functionality. Upgrade your lifestyle with the Freedom X. Comfort, innovation, and versatility in one perfect chair. The Mecascape is a statement piece where innovation meets timeless Swiss craftsmanship. Encased in grade 5 titanium with a durable sapphire crystal, this masterpiece redefines precision. Powered by a Swiss-manufactured movement, it boasts an impressive 8-day power reserve supported by 237 intricate components and 37 jewels, a true technical marvel. Not just a watch, the Mecascape is a statement of elegance. Its sleek design fits seamlessly in your pocket or elevates your desk setup. Paired with an Italian leather sleeve, it's perfect for any setting, be it professional or casual. Discover the art of Swiss watchmaking with the Mecascape. The CoolGeek CD Player is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern design that's bound to elevate your audio experience. Inspired by artistic picture frames, this player reimagines traditional sound systems into a visually striking centerpiece. With its transparent frame and minimalist geometric design, it seamlessly combines style and functionality, making it more than just a music player. It's a statement piece for your space. This CD player isn't just about looks. It supports multiple playback options, including CDs, Bluetooth connectivity, and AUX input, giving you ultimate versatility for your favorite tunes. Whether you prefer the charm of physical CDs or streaming wirelessly, this device has you covered. Want to enhance your decor? The CoolGeek CD Player can be hung on the wall like art or placed on a table, effortlessly blending into any environment. It transforms music into a visual and auditory experience, pushing the boundaries of art and technology. The CoolGeek CD Player isn't just a device, it's a conversation starter, a design marvel, and your next favorite gadget. Heading out for an adventure? Meet the Flextail MAX PUMP 3, your ultimate outdoor companion. Lightweight and compact, this tiny gadget packs a punch, inflating air mattresses, rafts, and chairs in seconds with its powerful 500 litres per minute airflow. Forget the hassle of manual pumps. Setup is as easy as pressing a button. Plus, it works for both inflation and deflation, saving you time and effort. The MAX PUMP 3 also doubles up as a versatile LED lantern, offering 3 brightness levels and up to 49 hours of runtime. Whether you're camping, hiking, or hosting a backyard hangout, it's got your lighting needs covered. With 6 nozzle attachments, a removable lampshade, and multiple mounting options, this pump is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. Looking to take your 3D printing game to the next level? Meet the Creality Raptor scanner, a groundbreaking tool designed to make scanning faster, more accurate, and hassle-free. It's the world's first hybrid consumer 3D scanner, combining blue laser and near-infrared technology for ultimate precision. With 7 parallel blue laser lines, each as fine as 0.1 millimeters, this scanner delivers metrology-grade accuracy up to 0.02 millimeters. Perfect for capturing even the smallest details. The Raptor's versatility is unmatched. Whether you're scanning tiny components or larger objects, it handles it all with impressive speeds of up to 60 frames per second. Plus, thanks to its anti-shaking tech, you'll get smoother scans every time. Need richer details? The 24-bit full-color scanning brings out sharper edges and vibrant textures. Best of all, it scans black and metal objects without the need for spraying. Paired with intuitive, GPU-accelerated software, the Raptor streamlines your workflow, ensuring your ideas become reality quickly and seamlessly. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to creative freedom with the Creality Raptor scanner. Tired of dealing with messy cables? Meet the 4URPC True Wireless 4K transmitter and receiver, the ultimate solution to cable clutter. This compact device is a game changer for anyone looking to stream seamlessly. With just a long press, you're ready to go. No app or Wi-Fi required. Experience stunning 4K Ultra HD visuals on a big screen, whether you're gaming, presenting in a meeting, or binge-watching your favorite shows. Need a dual-screen setup? The display expansion mode lets you boost your productivity effortlessly. The 4URPC supports 100-watt PD charging, so you can charge your devices while you work or play. It's multi-device compatible, works with laptops, smartphones, and tablets, and is lightweight, perfect for life on the go. With plug-and-play functionality, quick response times, and smooth device switching, it's the all-in-one solution you didn't know you needed. Tired of bulky battle ropes that take up too much space? Meet the Z-Rope Plus, the ultimate compact solution for home training. Whether you're a beginner or a pro athlete, this innovative fitness tool brings the intensity of battle rope workouts to the comfort of your living room, without the hassle of a gym setup. With 3 adjustable resistance levels, you can customize your workout by swapping out springs. Level 1 is perfect for beginners. Level 2 mimics traditional battle rope resistance, and Level 3 cranks up the challenge for serious athletes. Target over 10 muscle groups while building strength, endurance, and cardio, all in one session. The detachable handles and compact design make the Z-Rope Plus easy to carry and store. Plus, the silicone-coated handles ensure a comfortable grip, and the upgraded urethane coating promises durability for years to come. Quiet operation means you can use it day or night. Need guidance? Just scan the QR code for tutorials to maximize your workout. The Z-Rope Plus is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify and elevate their fitness routine. It's time to train smarter, not harder. The Sperax Walking Pad combines convenience with innovation, making it perfect for those who want to stay active indoors. Its versatile design offers multiple exercise modes, from walking and jogging to an incline feature for a more intense workout. The LED display provides real-time tracking of speed, distance, time, and calories, while the intuitive remote control allows easy customization of your pace and incline. Equipped with a powerful yet whisper-quiet motor, it's ideal for home use without disturbing others. The multi-layer, non-slip running belt ensures comfort and protects your joints during workouts. Looking for the ultimate shave? Meet the Groomie Baldie Pro, your go-to for smooth, fast, and mess-free grooming. With a powerful 10,000 RPM motor and smooth shave technology, it delivers a clean, comfortable shave in just 3 minutes. Designed with convenience in mind, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or clean it under running water with ease. Plus, the travel lock ensures it's ready to go wherever you are. No mess, no fuss, just a perfect shave every time. Upgrade your grooming game with the Groomie Baldie Pro today. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.